Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 FE. Now, we know it's early, really early, but the first details about this phone have already started to trickle out. The Galaxy S25 FE is expected to launch over a year from now, but we've just learned some key information that could change things for Samsung fans. And this change, it's all about what's inside the phone, the chipset. That's right, Samsung is reportedly considering using a MediaTek chip for the Galaxy S25 FE instead of its own Exynos chip, or the usual Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. So why the shift? According to a report circulating on X, formerly Twitter, Samsung has been in talks with MediaTek for quite some time. Initially, it discussed using MediaTek's Dimensity chip in both the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus, but eventually, these discussions shifted to the Galaxy S25 FE. Now, this is significant because Samsung has often used either Exynos or Snapdragon chips in its Fan Edition FE models, but with the S25 FE, Samsung seems to be eyeing a MediaTek chip specifically from their Dimensity line. This could be a cost-effective move, but let's dive into the potential performance and what this could mean for users. The chip in question is rumored to be the MediaTek Dimensity 9400, which is currently MediaTek's flagship processor. Even though the report doesn't directly mention this chip, it's very likely the one Samsung will use if these rumors hold up. The Dimensity 9400 is packed with powerful performance features. It's built on a 3M architecture, making it incredibly efficient when it comes to battery life. Here's the breakdown. It has one Cortex-X 925 CPU core for handling the most intensive tasks, 3 Cortex-X4 CPU cores, and 4 Cortex-A720 CPU cores, providing a balance between power and efficiency. What's crucial here is that even though MediaTek chips are often seen as a more budget-friendly option compared to Snapdragon, this particular chip is positioned to offer flagship-level performance comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite. So if Samsung ends up using the Dimensity 9400 in the Galaxy S25 FE, users will likely be getting a phone that's powerful enough for gaming, multitasking, and pretty much anything you throw at it, all at a more affordable price point. So why would Samsung make this switch? The answer probably comes down to two things: cost and strategy. By going with MediaTek, Samsung can potentially lower production costs while still delivering a phone that feels high-end. This could mean a lower price tag for consumers. And speaking of price, the Galaxy S25 FE is expected to launch around $649. But as with many Samsung phones, the price could drop even further within a few months after release. If the price and performance line up the way we're expecting, the Galaxy S25 FE could be a great deal for consumers who want flagship-level performance without the flagship price. They'll stay up to date for years. What do you think about Samsung's potential switch to MediaTek? Could this be a game changer for the Fan Edition series? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the Galaxy S25 FE or other upcoming smartphones. Thanks for watching, phones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossyan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.